Pulp, it's kozo. The first thing you have to do is soak it into a bucket of water to soften it up for cooking. It's a white inner bark from a tree that grows in Oregon. After the bark soaked for 24 hours, it's separated into thin strips for cooking. Caustic agent such as lye is added to the pulp and water at this point for cooking. The pulp is cooked when you can easily pull it apart. Now all the caustic agent has to be rinsed out and the pulp has to be thoroughly cleaned. It's rinsed several times, so at this point you can actually see the structure. Come see this. This is the best. It has a very interesting and unique diagonal structure, which is why it's so strong. It'll be rinsed several times in clean water now. This part is called chiritori. It means taking the brown specks off of the pulp, which is outside bark that's still left on. And at this point you can see the structure of the pulp much more clearly. Just so beautiful. The pulp is then beaten by hand, which lengthens the fibers as opposed to chopping them. Hence the term, beaten to a pulp. To check if it's fully beaten, put a little piece in there, shake it up, and you can see it's just floating around like a cloud. It's all done. Ready to be dyed. Okay, these are Procyon MX cold water dyes. They are mixed with water and added to the pulp. And you can see that beautiful blue color going right in there. One of the things we use to set the dye is salt. And over the next hour, I'll keep adding salt to all these different colors. You can see the pulp is turning blue. extra color has to be rinsed out of the pulp completely before the cakes can be made. You can see all the color coming out of here, all blue. And when it comes out clear, it's ready to go. That's it. The next thing I do is make metal shapes to pour the pulp into. If you look at the drawing and you look at this, you can see that each of these areas is going to have a color. They're then taped together and the pulp is going to be poured. This is a telluride. It not only slows down the pour, but it wraps a simple molecule around each and every fiber. You can tell if you've got enough in by listening to the sound. Okay. You should film all the different colors. Okay, I'm pouring into the various shapes now, and this is the final part of the papermaker. And that's it.